Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a clock from waste materials. First, select a strong base for your clock, such as a piece of thick cardboard, an old record, or a thin wooden board. Aim for diameter of about 10 to 12 inches. Make sure your chosen material is clean and completely dry. You will also need a basic battery-operated clock mechanism, which typically includes the hour, minute, and sometimes second hands. Now, let's integrate the clock's heart. Find the exact center of your base and carefully drill a hole, ensuring it perfectly fits the shaft of your clock mechanism. Insert the mechanism from the back of your base, then secure it tightly with the small washer and nut provided. Next, gently press the hour hand onto the shaft, followed by the minute hand, making sure they are aligned and can rotate without touching each other. This is where your creativity shines. Gather small, interesting waste items like bottle caps, old buttons, or even cut-up pieces of colorful cardboard to serve as your hour markers. Carefully arrange 12 of these markers evenly around the clock face, ensuring precise spacing for each hour. Once you are happy with their placement, use a strong adhesive to firmly glue each marker onto your clock base. To complete your masterpiece, add any final decorative touches. You might paint the background, attach fabric scraps, or add small embellishments to truly personalize your clock. For display, attach a hanging hook to the back for a wall clock, or create a simple stand if you prefer a desk clock. Finally, insert one AA battery into the mechanism, set the correct time, and enjoy your beautifully upcycled, functional clock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.